Assalamu alaikum dear students. You remember our previous day activity and what it was? Yes, it was storytelling. And you know, today you are getting a chance to open your book and read this topic by your own. So do you want to read by your own? Very good. So open your science book and open your page number 21. So our topic name is Life Cycles of Animals and Plants. Life cycles of animals and plants. Okay, so you have to read along with me. You have to put your finger under the lines and you have to listen me carefully and then you repeat after me. Okay, are you ready? So can we start our activity? Excellent, very good. All living things reproduce themselves. All living things reproduce themselves. All living things reproduce themselves. Okay, now you repeat after me. All living things reproduce themselves. Good. One more time. All living things reproduce themselves. All living things die after some time. But before they die, they produce babies. That's why living things don't just vanish from the planet. That's why living things don't just vanish from the planet. That's why living things don't just vanish from the planet. Okay, now you repeat this sentence with me. That's why living things don't just vanish from the planet. Excellent. One more time. That's why living things don't just vanish from the planet. Whether they are single cell living thing or giant whales, an animal or plant will disappear if they stop reproducing. An animal or plant will disappear if they stop reproducing. An animal or plant will disappear if they stop reproducing. Okay, now repeat after me. Good. Very nice. Good. Having babies is one of the qualities that make living things different from non-living things. Having babies is one of the qualities that make living things different from non-living things. Having babies is one of the qualities that make living things different from non-living things. Kinds of reproduction. Kinds of reproduction. Kinds of reproduction. Okay, repeat after me now. Kinds of reproduction. Good. Kinds of reproduction. Excellent. Living things reproduce in different ways. Asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Okay, now repeat after me this sentence. Asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Very good. Asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Good. Asexual reproduction. Asexual babies have only one parent. They don't have two parents like humans. The baby looks just like her mother. Even after millions of years. Even after millions of years. Even after millions of years. Now repeat this sentence. Even after millions of years. Good. Even after millions of years. Good. These kinds of animals and plants look the same. Asexual reproduction is very fast. Many babies are born in a very short time. A single individual can produce many offsprings. A single individual can produce many offsprings. A single individual can produce many offsprings. Okay, repeat this sentence with me. A single individual can reproduce many offsprings. Very good. Okay. Asexual is common among plants. It is important as plants are producers and a large quantity of plants is needed to feed the consumers. Asexual babies are very adapted to their own environment. Asexual babies are very adapted to their own environment. Asexual babies are very adapted to their own environment. Now repeat this sentence with me. Asexual babies are very adaptive to their own environment. One more time. Asexual babies are very adaptive to their own environment. Good. They adjust to their habitat easily. They adjust to their habitat easily. They adjust to their habitat easily. Now repeat this sentence. Good. Good, very good. But asexual babies cannot survive in a different environment. In a new place, they would die quickly. So different ways of asexual reproduction. Binary fission. Binary fission. Binary fission. Asexual babies are born in different ways. In some, the asexual mother is divided into two parts. In some, the asexual mother is divided into two parts. In other words, the mother is divided into two daughters. It's called binary reproduction. Binary means two. It's called binary reproduction. It's called binary reproduction. Now you repeat after me. It's called binary reproduction. Good. It's called binary reproduction. Binary means two. ओके तो आज के लिए हमें इतनी ही रीडिंग इनफ है. पेज नंबर 21, 22 और 23 में हमने बाइनरी फिशन तक पढ़ा है. सो व्हाट इज़ योर होम टास्क? आज आपका होमवर्क असाइनमेंट क्या है? आपको एक काम करना है. आपने अपनी बुक को ओपन करके इस जितनी रीडिंग हमने की है आज, चैप्टर नंबर 2, 21 और 22 जो पेज है आपका, आपने उसको रीड करना है, लाउड रीड करना है और उसकी ऑडियो फाइल आपने रिकॉर्ड करनी है. वीडियो ज़रा बड़ी फाइल हो जाएगी, आपको टीचर्स को सेंड करना मुश्किल होगी, तो आपने इसकी ऑडियो फाइल रिकॉर्ड करनी है और इसको अपने टीचर्स को सबमिट करवाना है ताकि आपके टीचर्स आपकी रीडिंग सुन पाएँ और अगर उनको कहीं लगे कि आपको इम्प्रूवमेंट की ज़रूरत है प्रोनाउंसिएशन के लिए तो वो आपको गाइड करेंगी. सो व्हाट इज़ योर होम टास्क फॉर टुडे? आपने इसकी ऑडियो रिकॉर्ड करनी है जितना मैंने आज आपके साथ रीड किया और इस फाइल को आपने अपने टीचर्स को भेजना है. कल हम अपनी नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी के साथ मिलेंगे. थैंक यू.